When it comes to type aspects, I'd split them into a couple of categories of properties. Functional properties are connected to shape, size, x height weight, stroke width, serifs or lack thereof, character widths, inclusion of ligatures, stylistic options, sizes of counters, and more. All of those connect directly to legibility and flexibility of use. Semantic properties are more about the personality and aesthetics of typeface. It's about the brand and the feeling you want to achieve with your audience. Type doesn't live in isolation though. Alignment, letter spacing, line height, line length, and the context of product we are designing for all affect the type and our decisions. Alignment is a massive aspect of your type. If you're in doubt, left align your text. It's the most legible way to style your text. Our eyes have a clear line to follow while reading. We also call this alignment flush left. It's a default setting in most design software for a reason. Right alignment only works in rare cases, and we'll go over those in later lessons. Center alignment works if there are just a couple of lines of text. A good rule of thumb is not to center the text if there are more than 3 lines of text. Justify is definitely something you shouldn't be doing. It takes a lot of skills and practice to pull it off, and there are virtually 0 cases where you might need justification as a UI designer. When the spaces between the words and characters in lines of text are stretched and squeezed, the legibility is seriously degraded. Think of it as a UI typography crime and just avoid it. We should use all of the properties mentioned in this video to achieve visual hierarchy within our interface designs. All of the aspects we went over affect the readability of the text in the products we design. It is up to us to control the narrative and communicate clearly with our users. Readability relies on effectively arranged type. Type size, line spacing, line length, alignment, letter spacing, and overall visual hierarchy affect readability. That leads me to the main point of this video. As designers, we need to balance aesthetics, legibility, and visual hierarchy. It's all about balancing those 3 pillars, like a pro. That doesn't mean that every product we design needs to be highly legible at all times. If the goal of our design is to spark interest and showcase the exciting branding behind the product, or achieve a particular goal that is more important than legibility, we can break the rules to get there. But we need to do that purposefully. We are in charge of organizing information for our users in a deliberate way. Body text in general needs to be highly legible. Headings and accent text styles are areas where you can bring in a lot of your branding and personality into your UI. We also need to use type consistently within our product. Sloppy and inconsistent usage of font sizes is a sign of amateurism. To sum up, when we're working with type, we need to analyze both the functional and semantic properties. With those attributes in mind, we need to plan our typography choices for the project based on numerous factors. Each project is different. All our typography decisions need to be done with purpose, and we need to apply our decisions consistently across the interfaces we design.